Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new front air strut for the Land Rover Range Rover L405 with continuous variable damping. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. This vehicle contains a closed air supply system. Replacement of components requires proper adherence to procedures set forth within OE servicing literature. Failure to comply with the OE prescribed procedures can result in component damage or failure. The product shown in the installation steps in this video may look different than the part you are installing. The installation steps are the same, and all notices and warnings should be adhered to in the same manner. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Then raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Disconnect the electrical connection from the top of the strut by pressing in on the two tabs and pulling upwards. Loosen and remove the airline from the top of the strut and remove the airline fitting. To do so, spread the collet open and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Loosen and remove the top mounting nuts. Now loosen and remove the sensor wire and the brake line bracket. Now locate and remove the upper control arm ball joint nut. Separate the ball joint from the spindle assembly. Now loosen and remove the lower strut mounting bolt. Remove the sensor wire bracket and separate the sway bar end link from the lower strut clevis. Next, loosen the strut clevis and pull the spindle assembly outward. You can now remove the strut to complete the removal process. Do not remove the air fitting from the air strut. Doing so may cause damage and void the warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Install the strut into the vehicle and install the 4 top strut mounting bolts. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Now install the lower strut mounting bolts and reinstall the upper control arm to the spindle assembly. Reinstall the sensor wire bracket and reattach the end link to the lower strut clevis. Retighten the strut clevis to the manufacturer's specifications. Now reinstall the sensor wire and brake line bracket. Install the airline into the airline fitting. Do so by removing and disposing of the white shipping pin. Then insert the airline into the fitting and press until it is firmly seated. With the airline inserted, pull the airline outward to lock and ensure a secure connection. Now, finish the installation by reinstalling the applicable front wheel and inflate the air system per the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Now, lower the vehicle and you have completed the installation. Thank you for following our guide on installing the front air strut for a Land Rover Range Rover L405. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.